indicate where is the pain on the body?
The pain?
Yes.
You mean the shoulder?
Wherever in the
Here.
body you're feeling. Where is it starting?
In this area, starting from the neck. Now the neck little bit released. Okay. So still the pain in down area, not in upper.
Yes.
Okay. And going down to this shoulder specifically.
Yes.
And to this side in the back.
Yes.
Okay. Going back to here.
Okay. How long has it been going on?
It is more than 3-4 years.
More than 3.
Increasing.
Increasing. Okay.
Yes.
Now you've also had procedure done, right?
Yes.
In the shoulder.
I did a procedure over here
Yes.
in my right shoulder for impingement.
Yes.
And there was actually something, it has been removed,
Yes.
But still,
What is
the
the
pain is there.
Yes.
Previously, I cannot lift my hand, my arm, sorry. I cannot lift it up. I cannot exercise freely.
Yes.
Now, this motion is okay, but still for bench press, for some movement like biceps,
Yes.
still I feel some pain.
You're feeling something.
And that one, it affects even my level. I can see my level a little bit. The adjustment is not very 100%.
I see that.
So I can even see some development in this side, but this side there is no much.
Because you are
development.
restricted.
Yes.
You're restricted. There's an imbalance in the strength,
That's
imbalance in the mobility,
Yes.
one side compared to the other, and you want things to be sorted out so you can work out at the gym freely with a free mind.
Definitely.
Inshallah. Okay, what we're going to do is, let me just check your movement. Okay, so reaching 90 degrees here. Is that hurting the shoulder?
Yeah.
This side. You have more. You have 95. Now do on this side. Is that okay? On the
Yeah.
shoulder? It's okay. No
Yes.
pain?
No pain.
This is okay?
Yeah, minor pain.
This?
Mm,
Tender?
not really.
Not
Not
too
really. Yeah.
Okay. You feel that?
Some pain. But here is worse.
Okay. We're going to utilize some laser. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, the light is going to go into the joint. It's going to help to heal from the inside. Alright? So let's just have you take this off for me. I'm going to track this. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
It's
feel
okay.
it.
Yeah. If it's
There is some heat.
yes, it's a high intensity. If it becomes too much, you let me know.
Yeah.
Relax. Let me take the weight of your shoulder.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I want you to start doing your shoulder rolls, please, like in the video.
Yeah.
So start. Do it.
Now?
Yes.
Inside or outside?
No, the neck.
The
The
neck.
neck rolls. Yes, like the salam. In salah. Yes. Good. Can I see now the shoulder rolls?
That one?
Yes. Okay, now the other direction. Good. I like this. This is good, large movements. Good. Can I see the knee to opposite shoulder? Yes. So for this sitting up, you can feel that. It's hot, yeah? Very good. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax for me. Other side. Up. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Oh wow, okay. Well, already we've increased in our range. Already. We were here at 19 already without any manual treatment. We're already reaching 95 plus. Excellent. You see that? Yeah. We were here before, now we're here. Excellent. That is brilliant. Let's carry on. Relax for me, nice and easy. Take the goggles off, please. Lie on your front, please. Rest your arms on the bars. Turn to the side, facing me. Other side, please. Lie on your back. Okay, I'll make sure that we're working through the cervical region. Good. 100 degrees. We've gained 10 degrees. Excellent. You'll be fine, sir.